Hey guys, guess what? We're going to do something different today. We're going to cook custard. The ingredients you will need to cook custard the Abbey way is custard, a bowl, a tap of water, a kettle, and a spoon. Now we're ready to start making. Get your Weight Watchers custard and put it in the bowl. Next, go to the tap and gather water to fill up your kettle. Get your tap and pour the water into the kettle. Stand the lid shut and boil. Now, once the kettle is boiled, pour some water . Now all you have to do is put on your custard safety goggles and eat the custard all to yourself. Or if you don't like custard, just give it to your dad, because I'm sure he does.